Because I do so much sports. And yeah, big time relief. Big time relief. Thanks a lot.
Welcome.
Wow. I think I have to learn this job. It's really important. I need to learn this.
Inshallah.
I have to learn this. Inshallah. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, after all this long journey with my doctor here, I had a very good experience. I think I had problems with my back and my neck, and yeah, right now I feel kind of great. He got my loose ends tight, and now they're relaxed. Yeah, I feel really, really happy. And yeah, I recommend you guys, man, you should come fix your body, fix your joints, and get everything done right on your side. Feeling like I'm a baby right now. I think I'm gonna go sleep like a baby tonight. Thanks to the doctor. Thanks. Shukran, Jazakallah.
Welcome.